These tours of mine can go like 6 hours if we don't keep it moving. That's not what we want. Nobody wants that. Real estate exiting. All right. Now we're back at the view of life. And here we go. We're not going to have any thing but the seagulls singing in the background.
So you are going to edit something.
Yeah, with a little STFU is what I'm going to have. There's the house there. And look at this fire pit right here. We're going to bring that baby to life. And most of Westbrook's over here, but I hear there's some on this side too. There you go. Fly, Jonathan. All right, so we're going to come over here and see what a nice spot this would be to hang out on. Beauteous. You know, they don't rake the beach this time of year, but there's some beach down there. All right. Oh, wait a second. Let's go see that little pool house. I did buy one of those things that makes the anti-shake on the camera. Ah, that's a pain in the butt. Here we go now. Pop in this thing. Best shape there is here. Look at this. Brand new VCT. Nice thing. And over here, we got a shower, can, head, and that's the story. Kill the headlights and put it in neutral.